For a small business owner, the line between business finance and personal finance is often blurry. Unlike a salaried employee who knows exactly how much hits their bank account every 2 weeks, you likely deal with inconsistent revenue. This makes the traditional advice of spend less than you earn a bit harder to execute practically. You need a system that accommodates the ups and downs of entrepreneurship. The most effective way to stabilize your financial life is to clearly distinguish between your fixed necessary, variable necessary, and variable discretionary expenses. Fixed necessary expenses are your non-negotiables, the bills that arrive like clockwork. Think mortgage, utilities, basic food staples, car payments, and insurance premiums. You know how much these will be, and you can plan precisely for them. Variable necessary expenses, on the other hand, are where you need to plan for a little more room to maneuver. So these can include repairs and medical costs. Variable discretionary expenses are the extras that you use for your personal happiness and to enjoy life. These are costs like dining out, travel, hobbies, and personal shopping. You have a high amount of control over these disbursements, which means they can flex based on your business's performance. Why does this distinction matter? On a basic level, your business needs to produce enough income to cover your fixed and variable necessary costs. You can use the necessary costs to help you determine your base owner's draw expectations in excess of your salary. If you earn more over the year, you can take out a profit distribution for your discretionary spending. Here's the formula for a stable cash flow. Calculate your expected total average monthly fixed and variable necessary expenses. Then add a 10 to 15% buffer for unexpected variable necessary expenses. Plan for payroll or a draw or a combination to automatically transfer this amount from your business account to your personal account every month. This ensures your basic needs are always met, regardless of a slow sales month. Once you have that baseline established, your next step is developing a buffer. We recommend building a personal emergency fund containing 2 to 3 months of those necessary expenses. Keep this in a personal high-yield savings account. This is your safety net. If the business has a truly terrible quarter, you can live off the personal savings without panicking or draining your business's working capital. Afterwards, you can take more profit distributions from the business as long as you're keeping sufficient working capital in the business. This strategy allows you to make clearer, calmer decisions for the future of your company without the stress. Looking for more small business finance tips? Subscribe to our channel today.